suffer from frequent headaches? People think that stress and loud noise are usually the main causes of a headache, but that's usually not the case. The origin of headaches, more often than not, tends to stem from the neck and shoulder area. Tightness can cause misalignment in the vertebrae of your neck, thereby causing pain. With a typical headache, a person feels the pain originating at the base of the skull and then moving up to the temples, eyeball, and forehead. Gentle neck and shoulder massage treatments can release tension and help relieve headache pain. Chiropractic adjustments can realign the vertebrae in your neck to treat the root cause of the headache, usually caused by poor posture. This is by far the most holistic approach to treating your pain. We have years of experience helping other patients treat their headache pain. Let us help you finally put an end to yours. Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation.
Enough memory of this form left. Okay, so this is your wife's.
Right.
Okay, and this is you. So what's going on?
Back in 2012, I used to work for the flower company,
Okay.
and I was doing a lot of repairing and lifting.
Uh-huh.
So I hurt my like the pec muscle.
Mm-hmm. Did you have a surgery or?
No surgery.
Okay.
So they thought there was like a crack or something in my ribs, but no, they never found it.
Okay.
It never became conclusive.
Okay.
So this pain, I always have it. It shoots up to here.
Okay.
And then I have
in the back of the
in
shoulder?
the back where the shoulder blade
Uh-huh.
is at. I always have like a mat.
Okay. So that's been is it getting progressively worse or is it kind of not?
No, it's always like that. When I go like that, all you hear is that little clicking sound, clicking sound, clicking sound.
So you want to be like that guy that you saw in the video.
I can lift my arms and everything.
Okay, no, you're much better than
Right.
he is. Yeah, he was in a really bad
Yeah,
state.
it's just it's always like the nerves or tension or whatever it is. I always have to be like cracking it.
Sounds like a familiar case. So
Okay.
We'll take it. Let me just write this down. Okay. So left shoulder pain.
From the front of the pec to the back of the shoulder.
And the neck pain.
Mm-hmm.
Now, in terms of the neck pain, do you have any headaches associated with this, or just the neck itself?
No, it's like this part, like
so on the back of your head.
The back of the neck. I always have to be cracking my neck.
Does it? Don't do it because you're gonna like. It's overuse of a joint, so.
Oh boy, I do that a lot.
Yeah, it's a habit. It's like smoking cigarettes.
Yeah, well, that's my.
So you
habit.
have headaches, right?
Yeah.
Any numbness in your fingers or anything like that?
No, my hands get clammy sometimes.
They get numb, right?
Like no, not numb, like cold.
Cold? Okay,
Yeah, so like if I'm having anxiety, you know, when your feet get cold or you get clammy.
More left than right, or both at the same time?
More left side.
Okay. Okay, what's the level of pain in your neck, 1 to 10?
Like a 5 or 6.
And shoulder?
Shoulder is always like a 7, 8. All depends. If it's really cold or I'm trying to do push-ups or something, I feel the pain.
A lot of my patients, Spanish-speaking patients, say mucho frío, mucho dolor. Huh?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, yeah. Body doesn't like cold.
No,
It's always. You know, I had an old injury in my meniscus, and every time the weather changes too much,
right,
it's just
because
the joints they get injured, you can repair them, but they have a little sensors for barometric pressure. So when they get damaged, they don't have enough time to adapt to the drop of the pressure. That's what's causing the pain.
That's when you start getting more pain.
Yeah. So, but it's okay. I don't think you are at that point. Okay. Does it hurt when I press here?
No.
Any pain around here?
No, but all that hurts right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Neck? Right
Yeah,
there?
right there.
Okay, relax. Oh my god, you don't have any range of motion on your left side at all. The left side of your neck doesn't move at all. Okay, sit up. Any pain around here?
It's more like on the left side where the pec's at.
Okay.
Right there, right there where you're touching all that.
Okay. No range of motion on the left. Okay, bend forward, please. Back. Okay. Chicken scratches. Only I can understand them.
That's
Stand
all
up.
right.
Okay. Face the window, close your eyes, and march in one place. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, stop. Okay. Pelvis is shifted on the right, shoulder is shifted on the right, ear is shifted on the left, right foot is in. Okay. Do you always carry a wallet in your pocket?
Always.
Okay, so here's the thing. So the treatment starts with your wallet. Take it out and never ever put it in the back pocket. Because when you sit, so you see what happens, I'll show you on the spine.
Okay.
When you sit and you have a wallet, basically it shifts your pelvis like this. And remember I explained what happens to you to the spine when
It starts adapting to the...
when it starts compensating. So basically you're injuring yourself by doing this.
Okay.
So carry it in the front, take out all the gunk that you don't need, like the extra cards that you never use, or library cards, or any cards that you never use. Leave them at home, keep it thin, keep it in the front.
Okay.
Or just take 1 or 2 cards and driver license and just keep it thin, keep it in the front. So now put it in the back pocket. Okay, it's really bad for you.
Okay.
So as far as everything else that they found, basically what you have, the right side of your spine is about 1.75 inches lower than the left side, so it's kind of like this. Okay, then it compensates on the left side, so there's no range of motion over here. So we need to fix the foundation, which is here. Okay,
which is the center, right?
Yeah. Well, this is the center of the gravity of the bar graph, because you go up and then you go legs down. So this is the center. So we need to make it from this to this, and then fix it here. Now we need to adjust you here, and adjust the left side of your neck. You don't have any range of motion in your neck. Then I'm gonna adjust your shoulder, wrist, and elbow as well, because it's all one kinematic chain. And then we're gonna work on some soft tissue. Okay, I'm gonna send you to Gail first, and then she's gonna torch you. So if you scream, you can scream, nobody can hear you anyway. But you know, in order to break down the scar tissue that you have over here, it's a painful process. Okay. It's like breaking down like adhesions, but then you're gonna feel like range of motion improvement, so it's gonna feel good.
Okay. So when I do push-ups or try to work out, it won't bother me?
Right now, not after the first session. Okay? It's gonna take a couple of sessions, but then once we break down the adhesions,
I'm able to do all
you'll be able to do all the push-ups. Okay. Because I had injuries in the past myself, and so I know how it feels. You can't do anything.
I start doing it, but after a while, it starts getting tied up and it starts hurting. Okay. So I stopped doing it.
So adjust here, 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 and here, and then we'll work on your shoulder. I'll do some range of motion as well to kind of break down even more, and then we'll go from there. So before I'll set you up for the therapy, do you have any questions? No?
No, let's get it done. That's it.
Let's move forward. Fix me out. Let me do my push-ups. Huh? Okay. So how was the therapy part? Did you like it? The heat and stim? Was it relaxing or stressful?
No, relaxing.
Okay, stay right down. Take a deep breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, where's the pillow?
It's right on.
Oh, it's right there on the floor. Okay. Okay, well, go on your side, face me like you sleep on your side. This way. Okay. Give me your left hand. Okay. Look towards the wall. So you're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling off the table, so just relax, you're not gonna fall, okay? The more relaxed you are, the better. Yeah, relax. Oh, that was a good one. Feels good? I see the face of relief. Sit up. Okay, he liked it.
Okay, it's done?
Okay, sit back. Relax. Okay, now let's go on the other side. Now let's adjust your lumbar spine. This way. relax your shoulder. Yeah, that was good. Okay, sit up. Lean back. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Push up against my hand. This. Relax. Out. Breathe. Okay. Okay, take a deep breath in. Hold. Push up against my hand. Okay, relax. Out. Okay. Breath in. Push up against my hand. Relax. Okay. Breath in. Push up against my hand. Relax. Okay. One more time. Breath in. Push up. Relax. Okay, and one more time. Push up. Relax. Okay.
Right there. That's where it hurts.
I know, that's what
Right there.
Breathe, breathe. Don't fight me back, okay? We gotta get you those push-ups. How many do you want to do non-stop? 200?
I don't know. Never tried.
Did you ever reach 100?
No. The most I reached was what?
60, 80.
60 straight, right? 60 straight.
That's hardcore. That's more than me. I only did 59.
60 straight, 3 sets.
That's nice. Did you feel like an Iron Man afterwards?
Oh yeah.
Feels good, huh? All that blood and muscles are pumping in.
Right there.
Bring
Just breathe. Okay. Give me an elbow.
it. You're in labor today.
Ooh.
That moved nicely.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, you made me work out. I don't even need to do push-ups after this. This is a lot of physical work. Okay, stand up. Okay, how's it feel? Move your shoulder. Yes. Is it more loose?
Some more loose, but you still.
What? But no, it's not gonna go away right away. How's your neck?
Yeah, the neck this side is looser.
Okay, sit down. What about seated? How's it? Does it move a little bit better? Try to move your neck.
Yeah, I can feel this side more
Okay.
loose.
Okay.
Like it ain't. I don't feel the strain.
Okay, that's what we want.
Right.
Okay, cool. So let's. I'm gonna send you to Gail
Okay.
with your wife, and then she's gonna do the massage therapy. Then we'll
Okay.
schedule some stuff up. Okay.
Okay.
It worked, huh?
It works. So far, so good.